Hey guys, welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. So today I'm back again with another pick a card reading. This reading will be what are their current energies? Okay, current feelings and energies. I have posted a poll in the community section and most votes came for this topic. Okay, current feelings and energies. So let us see what is your person feeling and thinking about you right now, and you have a specific someone in your life with whom you want to share your life, or maybe it is your boyfriend, girlfriend, wife, husband, whoever it is. You want to know what are they thinking and feeling right now about you and about this connection. Okay, this is a purely love related reading, so if you have any specific someone you can watch this reading. Okay, so before starting the reading, I would like to thank all my viewers and subscribers who are constantly supporting me and motivating me. I request you all to like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you like my readings, definitely please let me know in the comment section so that I will continue the same readings as per your request. Okay, and don't forget to check the community section, because I am active in community section, so I will be posting all the updates regarding my channel and videos up to date in that section. Okay, so please note that these are general readings. They may or may not resonate with everybody. Please take whatever resonates with you and leave the rest. As usual, we have three piles here. Pile number one, this white paint. Pile 2, this green paint. Pile 3, this sky blue paint. So whichever pile you are intuitively connected with, you can choose the pile. If you need more time, you can meditate on the pile and you can choose accordingly. Okay, so without wasting much time, let us start the reading. Whoever chose this white paint, this reading is for you. Let us see what are their current feelings and energies towards you and this connection. So let me pull one overall energy card from Sacred Indian Tarot. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. What is the overall energy of this reading? What is the overall energy of this reading? Please give us some guidance and clarity. What is the overall energy of this reading? Please give us one card of summation and the overall energy of this reading. Okay, the Fool. So this is the overall energy of this reading, or this is the energy of your person right now. Okay, so now let us continue and pull more cards. Let me pull more cards. What are their current feelings and energies towards my pile 1 people? Please give us some guidance and clarity. What are their current feelings and energies towards my pile 1 people? Please give us some guidance and clarity. Okay, the Fool card came. 2 cards fell down. So one is the Sun, other one is the Star. Okay, let me pull more cards. What are their current feelings and energies towards my pile 1 people? Please give us some guidance and clarity. What are their current feelings and energies towards my pile 1 people? Please give us some guidance and clarity. 7 of Pentacles, 3 of Wands, King of Cups, and bottom of the deck we have 4 of Cups. Okay, so let me discuss the signs first. I can see the signs of Aries, Leo, and I can see Aquarius. I can also see Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Then I can see Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, all these signs I can see here. I can see also the Taurus, Aquarius, Leo and Scorpio. So these are all the fixed signs here. So overall energy of your person is the Fool. So that means they want to take a leap of faith and they want to think about this connection in a different way. Maybe till now in this connection they are a little away from this connection, or they are acting like they are in fear, or non-committal, or what else I can see here. Yeah, they were not accepting your offer earlier. Like you tried your best. Whoever is watching this reading, you have tried your best to give your love, or express your feelings, or convince the other person, but they did not accept your offer, or your love, or whatever you confessed with them, they didn't accept that. So they were in different state of mind, or maybe they were regretting about their past. So maybe they have some regrets in their past, so they were not able to accept your offer, or they were non-committal, they are fear of something. Okay, they were fearing something about their past, or about someone else. Okay, so that is the reason they were not able to accept your love, so they ignored you, or for some of you they rejected also. Okay, otherwise for some of you I feel that it is unconfessed love, because the person is not ready to listen to you only. They are look at the four of cups card, so that person is folding their hands, they are not ready to listen whatever you wanted to say. So that kind of situation the other person was earlier, but now the fool card came twice, so the energy is changing. I think last when I checked this pile energies, so the energies are changing now. Even you can feel whoever chose this pile, and last week when I did the reading, you can see the changes in their energy. Now they are much more happy to think about you. And maybe for some of you, you have a child with this person, you are asking about your spouse, you got separated with this person, maybe they were not able to come to you, maybe because of their family or society, so whatever it may be. So now whenever they think of you, they feel very very happy, and they are remembering only the happy moments. Suppose if you have spent time with them more, so maybe they are checking the photos again and again, the past memories. Maybe sometime you have sent some messages to them, and they were continuously reading it again and again. So overall I can see the energy is changed now. So they are ready to take a leap of faith, they want to take a risk in this connection, they want to come towards you. Even though whatever fears they had in the past, now they want to overcome and come towards you. And I can also see that this person is keeping an eye on you. They are keeping you as a precious person. Okay, like a precious thing in their life. So they are observing you from far, and they are keeping you, keep seeing you grow actually. So the connection is growing day by day. So that is what, even from your side also, from their side also, this connection feelings are growing more and more day by day. So that is what this person is observing from far. Okay, so for some of you this might be a long distance relationship, or this person might be very famous in social media, or your circle, your friend circle. Okay, so this person is kind of a celebrity or a star, or a TikToker, YouTuber. So this person had a lot of things in the society, lot of good name and fame in the society. So now they are keeping that aside, and they want to commit to you, they want to come towards you, taking a leap of faith. Okay, they want to take a bold step or bold decision towards you and this connection. So they are waiting for the right time to come towards you, because you can see three of wands. That means this person is waiting for you, and waiting for the right time to come towards you. And also they have lot of feelings towards you. The king of cups means lot of emotions, feelings, and at the same time they value themselves, and they value their feelings also. Till now they were ignoring their own feelings towards you. Now they are taking into consideration, however they are feeling, now they are taking into consideration, and they are feeling that yeah, I need this person, I'm in love with this person. They are acknowledging whatever the feelings they had for you. So earlier they were in a denial, so now they are accepting it, that they are in love with you and they want to come to you, they want to express their feelings. So that they are acknowledging, they're giving importance to themselves and their feelings now. So now they are they have everything except you, that lack lack of you in their lack of your presence in their life they are feeling now. That is the reason they want to come towards you. The Fool is kind of an action card. Definitely they want to come towards you, and definitely they want to clarify something. Sun also is, it is very very bright, and it will throw light on the things which you can't see earlier. Like they want to clarify the things between you, whatever happened between you. Maybe this person lied to you, so they want to tell you the truth, and whatever happened they want to make it very very clear. Okay, that is also the one another meaning of the Sun card. So definitely they have lot of hope in this connection. With that hope they want to come towards you. Now it is up to you whether you want to accept this person or not. That is up to you, but they have a hope that you will accept, and they want to come towards you. Okay, that's all I have for you, pile number one. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye. Whoever chose this green paint, this reading is for you. What are their current feelings and energies towards you and this connection? So let us see. First of all, I will pull one card from Sacred Indian Tarot deck to see overall energy of your person, overall energy of this reading. Spirits and angels, Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Uriel, please give us some guidance and clarity. What is the overall energy of this reading or the person whom they are asking about or thinking about? My pile 2 people. Okay, overall energy is the Magician. Let me keep it here. Let me pull more cards. What are their current feelings and energies towards my pile 2 people? What are their person's current feelings and energies towards my pile 2 people? Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Please give some guidance and clarity. Okay, first card is 2 of Pentacles. Let me pull more cards. 10 of Swords, 10 of Cups, 9 of Cups, Temperance. Next card we have 7 of Wands, and the bottom of the deck we have 2 of Cups. Okay, Sagittarius, Gemini, Virgo and Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Very few of you will be having, your person will be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Okay, all these signs I can see. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius is also there. Okay, then Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, very few of you. Okay, these are all the signs I can see. Maybe your person's sun sign, moon sign, rising sign or Venus sign. Please take it whatever resonates with you. So overall energy is the Magician. So the Magician means you all know that this person is trying to manifest you back into their life, or your manifestation is working. This is the overall energy of this reading. So definitely both of you, I can see that manifesting each other into your life. Okay, so that means you are feeling this lack of or I can say absence of this person in your life. Both of you, like you are feeling that other person is not there, other person is also feeling the absence of your existence in their life. Okay, so definitely they are missing you, and they are trying to manifest you back into their life. But as of now they are juggling with 2 things or 2 people or 2 situations in their life. Actually for some of you I can see you are asking about your ex husband or a wife, because this is showing that 10 of Swords. 10 of Swords means completely it is ended. This connection is ended. Maybe some of you are divorced with this person, but still you want to know how they are feeling after the divorce. Okay, or some of you have ended this relationship completely, and now you want to see whether that person is thinking about you or not. So definitely this person did not heal yet, so they are feeling that pain, regret, everything they are feeling right now. So they are not able to believe that this happened to them, whatever happened between you and you got separated. So I didn't tell you that you both are separated now, you are not in communication. So definitely the pain this person is feeling, and this person is feeling that you betrayed them in some way. They have trusted you and you have betrayed. That pain they are feeling, it is very very like 10 swords poke into the back. That kind of backstabbed feeling this person is having towards you and this connection. So as I told you already, this person might be your spouse, because 10 of cups is there. So they are feeling thinking about you like their wife or husband material, and you have children also with this person. They imagined whole life with you. Okay, either you are already married to this person and have children, otherwise this person has imagined you a whole life. Okay, this connection will grow and grow. This person saw everything like marriage, children, everything this person saw in you. Okay, but somehow this didn't happen, and the connection ended with the 10 of swords. So this person sees you as a wish fulfillment. Okay, and also this person is like your person is a freedom lover, or they don't want to be uh, bound to somebody or something. So they are freedom lover, they are independent, they are quite successful in their life. They are very confident, and they are very very highly ambitious person, and they are seeing you as the wish fulfillment. And they are also feeling that there is no balance in this connection, because maybe one person is giving more in the connection, other person is not responding. Okay, that kind of thing is there. So this person wants to have balance in this connection right now. They are feeling that this is divinely guided connection, angels are protecting this connection. So definitely they are waiting for the right time, and they want to come to you, because the magician card is there. So maybe they are using some affirmations, or they are doing some candle magics or spell works or something like that. They are trying to manifest you back in their life. And at the same time they don't want to directly come to you and say, because they are feeling quite defensive. Seven of wands is there. So they are having the inner battle whether to come towards you or not. They whether to come directly and confess their love, whether they can express their love towards you, or maybe some of you they want to say sorry also. But they have this inner battle, what to do, what not to do. So they are thinking and feeling right now. But they know that this you both are soulmates. And because two of cups is there, two of cups means definitely you both, maybe some of you are working in the same project, or you have some partnership in business or something. So this person looks at you like other half. Okay, so you both are if you are married or not, but this person looks at you like a life partner, or a family person, or a wife material or husband material. So they have very very positive feelings towards you, but they are having lot of pain about whatever happened between you, or in the past. And they are juggling with two things or two people right now. But definitely they are having very very positive feelings towards you, and they are manifesting you back into their life. That's all I have for you, pile number 2. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye. Whoever chose this sky blue paint, this reading is for you. So let me pull one card of summation, or one card for the overall energy of this connection and your person. Let me pull one card. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Okay, death. And let me pull some more cards to know more about your person's feelings and energies towards you and this connection right now. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. What are they thinking and feeling about my pile 3 people right now? Okay, two cards flew away. Let me take it. The first card is the Sun. Second card is the Star. Let me pull some more cards. Let us see your person's overall energy. Overall energy is already there, death. So we want to know their current feelings and energies towards you and this connection. 8 of Swords. Strength, Five of Pentacles, Knight of Cups. Bottom of the deck we have Queen of Swords. Okay, so first let me tell you the signs I can see here. I see the signs as Scorpio, Leo, Aquarius. Then I can see Taurus, Aquarius, Scorpio, and Leo, the fixed signs here. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. There is no fire signs here. I can't see any fire sign except Leo. So that's all. Yeah, these are all the signs I can see here. So let us talk about the overall energy of this reading or this person. So this person feels that this connection is ended. The death happened already, so it is dead. No more reconciliation or no more contacting you, or they feel that this is already done. There is no chance or there is no use of contacting you. So they feel that it is dead already. But the death card also says it is rebirth. Okay, so let us see how it can rebirth again, this connection. But this person, as of now, they are feeling that it is dead. They don't want to communicate with you or come towards you. This is what it is there. So but whenever they think of you, they feel that very positive and happiness, because the sun card is there. So maybe some of you have a child with this person, or this person want, your person want to have a child with you. Okay, the sun. So they feel that you are the bright fresh sunshine in their life. Maybe their life is very boring or routine, maybe a 9 to 5 job, then come home and all, but you brought a lot of light or brightness into their life. That is what they feel. And one more meaning is they want to clarify the things whatever happened between you. They want to throw the light on the dark side of this connection. So they want to clarify, maybe they want to explain whatever happened between you, why they behaved like that in that situation. So they want to explain you everything. That is what they are feeling. So they see you as a celebrity or a very famous person in the social media, very beautiful and very much liked by everybody. Okay, maybe a YouTuber, TikToker, or actor, actress. And it is also a long distance relationship, because there is this star card is there, so it is long distance relationship. But this person is definitely watching you. They are searching information about you, not in a bad way, not stalking and all, but they are keeping an eye on you. And they have a hope in this connection. The star means it's a hope. Okay, they have a hope in this connection, even though they are feeling that it is dead, everything is done. But somewhere in the corner, that is what rebirth says. Okay, death means death and rebirth. So that is what the rebirth is, this hope. Okay, the star card is connected like this. So rebirth is this hope. But you have blocked this person, or they have blocked you. There is a blockage I can see. Maybe you had a fight, or you both blocked each other. So definitely this person is not clear of what you feel or thinking about you. So they don't know exactly what you want. So they feel that they are tied, and they are blindfolded. They don't know anything what is happening in your life and what are you feeling about themselves. So so they don't know. And at the same time, they see you that you are very sharp, strong, spirited, and a very sharp tongue. I feel that because Queen of Swords is there, that means you are very very sharp and very strong. Harsh, I mean, I cannot say harsh. You are very straightforward. Okay, whatever is there in your mind, you will say. You won't feel any bad, like oh, if I say this, the other person will get hurt, or I might hurt this person's feelings. So you don't think about anybody like that. Whatever is there in your mind, you will speak up. And you will be sometimes very harsh also, like very straightforward. And maybe you are a single mom, you have children also, or a child. Okay, so this person sees you as a very powerful person, and you can do anything. And when you get angry, you can do anything to other person also. You never care like whether it hurts them or not. So you are not that sensitive. They feel that you are not sensitive enough. You are not emotional. You are very cutthroat, straightforward. That's what they feel. But they see you as very very powerful, at the same time nurturing and caring mother, I can see. Okay, and they feel that you are somewhere soulmates, and you are meant to be together, you have to be together. And they are keeping up their strength, they are having strength in this connection. Maybe they are holding themselves not to come towards you, they are keeping up the strength, they are not coming in a haste or something, they are thinking strategically. So they are feeling like, how can I approach this person? So they are keeping up a lot of strength in this connection. They are not feeling defeated, or they are not feeling like, okay, this is done, this is dead now, death card is there, so this is dead, I don't want to come. But this person want to try again, because they are keeping up the strength. Why? Because they feel that this is a soulmate connection. And also they, you both are hurt in this connection. They feel that you have so many secrets in your life and you are not telling them. Maybe you have another person also in this in your life, but you are not telling them. That is what they are feeling. And but still they are following you, even though they are wounded. Maybe you hurt them, maybe you got angry, or you hurt them and you said some things which are not appropriate. But still, even though they are hurt, they are wounded, they are following you. They want to know the secrets what you are hiding from them, and they want to express their feelings also, like why they had to behave like that, why this miscommunication happened. So number 8 is very prominent here in this reading. So maybe your person born in the month of August maybe, or you must have born in the month of August. I can see 8 twice here. Okay, so now they want to take action. Knight of Cups, definitely they want to come and offer you their cup of love. They want to come towards you. They want to take action. Maybe till now they were not able to take any action, but now they want to take an action. Maybe because of this pandemic and all, they were not able to communicate to you, not able to come towards you. But now definitely they want to come towards you. They will want to travel and come towards you. Okay, so this might be in the winter time, they want to come towards you, maybe in the month of December or January. So they might travel towards you and come and meet you directly and clarify the things. Okay, put a light on the situation, and they will explain you why they behaved like that in the past. Okay, so like that. So but you have to be little softer side, not to be like a Queen of Swords and fight with this person. So when they are taking effort and coming towards you, at least you should give them a chance to talk, and you should give them try to understand them. Okay, that's what I can feel from this reading. Okay, that's all I have for you, pile number 3. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye.